Alright, so what we found is the health spending measures of the GDP per capita of each country. So United States spends an estimate of $10,586.08 per capita. France spends an estimate of $4,964 at 71 cents per capita. Portugal spends an estimate of $2,861.38 per capita. Russia spends an estimate of $1,513.67 per capita. So it's an order of the highest to the least. So we'll go on about. So United States, they spend an average of $740 billion a year in healthcare, crime, and lost productivity. The U.S. spends more on healthcare as a share of the economic of nearly twice as much as an average country, yet has the lowest life expectancy compared to Portugal, which has 2/3 of health spending is publicly funded, but the share of out-of-pocket spending has increased. However, a range of co-payment exemptions ensure financial protection and affordability services. And it also has proposed $5 billion in healthcare innovations to reduce wait time in hospitals. So there's a little bit more innovations that they try to go for. France also proposes to try to reduce the number of renouncing healthcare, increase life expectancy, and reduce wait times at hospitals also. Russia. The isolation of Russian psychiatry during Soviet times and limited funding of mental health services severely reduced access to the new evidence. Most practitioners lack the knowledge and skills required for effective medical and psychiatry treatments necessary for community-based care.